Well, here we are back at Epcot. Gonna walk around the World Showcase a little bit today, eat some of the food booths for the Festival of the Arts. First stop's gonna be the new Ratatouille ride. We're gonna walk over and check out the new entrance to that. I heard they took the walls and stuff down. Here we go, we're gonna walk through the new entrance to Ratatouille. Took down the walls and stuff. Let's head back and see what we can see. Well, they took down most of the walls, but they didn't take this wall down. So, guess we'll have to wait a little longer to see the rest of it. Kind of get a little bit of a peek over the wall, but oh well. So after we came out from Ratatouille, we stopped at the French Pavilion here to get a frozen martini. It's fruity. So what they've done, it's not the Food and Wine Festival, obviously. This is the Festival of the Arts. But they've permanently set up the booths in different places. I guess they figure it was reasonably successful, so they've permanently set up these booths around the World Showcase in different places. So they kind of turned Festival of the Arts. I would imagine probably Flower and Garden Festival is going to be the same thing. It's going to just be an extension of the Food and Wine Festival. So we're in the World Show Palace in Epcot. Gonna try the Remy Ratatouille. It's got green squash and yellow squash, and I'm not sure what that green thing is, maybe an onion on top. We're gonna try that and see how it is. Alright, so what do I think? Well, first of all, it's green zucchini, not squash. Also has eggplant in it, and it's got like a spaghetti kind of a sauce, I guess, I don't know. On the outside there, on the top. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's it's not bad. It's okay. Well, there's the frozen rusty nail drink. I don't know what's in it, but it does have a chocolate rusty nail. That's going to be good. And pistachio cakes. Probably has bourbon or whiskey of some sort. It's pretty strong. It's frozen. Any other flavor that it's got is pretty well overpowered by the alcohol, so I really can't say what it tastes like other than just frozen alcohol drink. That's okay. Porter Refreshment has lobster poutine and traditional poutine. Lobster, yes please. One dragonberry refresher and a lobster poutine on fries. Didn't know it came with so many fries, but still looks pretty good. So last time we were here in Epcot for the holiday of the Festival of Holidays, we saw the fireworks barge over here. Well, we've got another one over here. I'll take another shot here, I'll show it to you. These barges have got two sets of wings. This flat side will fold down, and then the other side will fold down the other way, and then it's got at least one arm, maybe two arms, that'll fold out on either side. Yesterday I saw a big archway, and I'm thinking that archway is going to connect probably to this pylon, and then over here to the other pylon, and probably span across this way. And if you've ever seen the water show at Animal Kingdom, it's going to be like that, where they're spraying water, you know, like a fan of water, and then there'll be lights and things on it. I'm sure fireworks come shooting out of there. So that ought to be pretty cool.